Are you interested in learning how tiny the Earth is? Take a look around you. How did it all come about? The solution has been there for us to see since the dawn of time. Take a moment to listen. The oldest occupation of our ancestors is being reinterpreted in light of the current environment. We respect, we develop, we work with nature. Take a look around you. How did it all come about? They moved, and we went with them on their trip. The journey we began as SLM Wood in 1981 with a lone machine. We now have a 5,000 square meter facility. It continues with our exports to 9 countries. Take a look around you. This is how it all came together.